There's something delusional and humiliating about this contraction. I have a bad feeling that 70's gonna snore Wafchu every February. Let's check the status on 60 and 70.
20 plus.
You've got to be kidding me!
60. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up.
Oh, no. Now 69 already took the holy snore. Now 70's gonna be cooked!
35 plus.
Oh my days! It's too late! No! You know what? I had enough of this stupid nautical nonsense. 69 is so gonna be dead! Hey, 69. You're gonna get beat. You know damn well that 70 needs to snore Hoyu a lot more than usual. This is what happens when you do this to my favorite characters. Now stay on the ground and think about what have you done until you've learned your lesson. Sorry about that. In my series, he's not my least favorite character. Evil 69 was, because he's mischievous and troublesome and he likes to cause trouble for nothing. Anyways, this is me, the Snore Queen of Endless Numbers, signing off.